So these are the birds. They are how many days now? Let me count. Today is what? Today is Wednesday. So they are gonna be 2 weeks old tomorrow. So look at the birds here. They'll be 2 weeks tomorrow, and that's their feet. This is the feet. So far they are doing really well. They are so agile. They are so active. See them? Come on, guys. Yeah. So active and agile, and you can see them. So I'm making this record around 12:30 12:30 a.m. in the midnight. Yeah, I've just been working on backtesting some strategies, so I couldn't sleep. So I said to myself, like, okay, let me come and check this, guys. Okay. You see them? So they're so active and agile. Yeah. So this is the breeding space. So hopefully by the time they're like, let me say 21 days old, yeah, they will be leaving this place. This is like, let me say this place is like a kitchen in a room across contain. This is like a kitchen. So this is like the lobby between kitchen and the bedroom. Alright, this is like the lobby between kitchen and bedroom. So in case you are hearing a sound, I want them to move to this place. Yeah, this is like this is the bedroom area. So they're so jam-packed over there, the heat might actually affect them. Okay, so because they're so jam-packed, and this place is a little bit cooler than the other place. So I checked the thermometer. I think the heat has actually gone, the temperature has gone up a little bit. So it makes sense for them to come here. So there is no extra lamp. So we are here to get an extra lamp. I'm using my other phone as torchlight to power this place so that they can eat all through the night. At this age, they don't really have to take a break for feeding, so they eat almost all the day. So there is abundance of feed for them. Okay, there is food for them to feed on. There is water available. So probably by 4 a.m. if I should wake up, I can come again to check if the water level has gone down. They might increase it. So but starting from tomorrow, now they have like 3 points for water. Okay, they can drink from 3 points. But starting from tomorrow, they may have up to like 4-5 points, so that when the drinkers are filled with water, it will be able to last them for a longer period. So at the moment, we have lost a bed so far. We got 1 and 2 from the company, so we've lost a bed so far, and one actually fell sick and is currently in the ICU. ICU is an intensive care point where we dedicate time and energy towards taking care of the bed that is not feeling fine. So that's pretty much all I have to share for now. So when they're exactly 3 weeks, I'm definitely going to be sharing another video with you, so you can see how fast they are growing. You can see how much they've improved over time, so you can get a real-time feedback with respect to what we are doing on the farm. Okay, so yeah, that's it. You can say hi to them. Okay, you can say hi to them if you want. So don't forget to drop a comment below. Alright, so we are going to appreciate that if you do. Okay, share the channel link with your friends across your platform so that they can also have an idea of how this thing works. So this is like the second batch. The first batch that we did, we have been able to share the full data, including the finances, the profit and loss, the challenges, the exciting moments, and also the bad moments. Okay, that has been shared. So, and the spreadsheet is there. Every expenses that we incur, they are fully captured in the spreadsheet. Because if you're running a business, no matter how small the business is, and you're not having a good record of what you're doing, then you're not really running a business, you're just playing. Okay, you're having fun. So it is that allows you to track the real-time profit and loss that you are making in that business. So the first experiment that we did, it was profitable. I think we had way over 20% profit on that. So hopefully we might actually make more this time around, or less, we don't know. Okay, the market is going to decide that. All right, so we are putting on our efforts as much as possible to make sure that this particular set we record as low mortality as possible, because if your mortality is increased, it will definitely hit into your potential profit. So that's how the business works. So yeah, that's the update. Wish you guys a fantastic day. Bye.